Hi, welcome to Solve YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. Today I want to bring to you concerning pantip.com high CPC working script. Remember, we also told you in our previous video how to get Pantip AdSense dashboard approval. And a lot of guys got it correctly, I beg your pardon. And we've seen that from the comment section. Okay, right now, Pantip is not giving approval anymore. It's a restricted URL. So now we have this Pantip working script. What you need to do is just two things. First thing is to change your publisher's ID. Second is the ad slot. Next is to paste it on any of your site, WordPress site, Blogger site, any of the site. But for this tutorial purpose, we are going to use WordPress site. What you need to do, publisher's ID, uh, data ad slot. This one is very simple. I'll show you how to get it very simple. This is how the scripts look like. Don't be panic. We have it. We'll give it to you. Come our WhatsApp group. We'll drop the WhatsApp group for you to join to get the script as well. Okay, what you need to do first thing, when you copy this to your notes, already on my notes, you go to your AdSense. AdSense, which of the AdSense is it? This? Let's check. Let's check. Is it this? No. Pantip is new. Yeah, let's use this. Okay. What you need to do, you go to ads. Let me show you. It's Pantip domain. It's Pantip. Don't be panic. You wait for it to open. You see. This is Pantip domain. You see. Okay. Then you go to ads. I want to show you how to get the publisher's ID. Very simple. And you know the Pantip.com is managed by a platform. The auto ads is automatic. What you need to do is to click add unit so as to get your slots. Already I've already created a square ads. That's notwithstanding, let's open another one. We can create horizontal ads. Okay, horizontal ads, we call it horizontal horizontal. Okay, make it to be responsive. Then once you save it, you create the main reason of you doing this is for you to get this publisher's ID simple, and the ad slots. So you copy it, then you paste it uh where you have your a is it called, the Pantip scripts. Okay, you paste it closer here. Okay, so that you can change it very easy. You paste it here in front. Okay, what you need to do is just for you to take your publisher's ID. You highlight the publisher's ID, copy it. This is where the script starts. In the same pub. You see how you edit it. Okay, you edit it, you paste, you've seen it, you arrange it well. Then you go to the slot ID, you copy it, you go to where we have slots. You have to know it very well, where the script start to, so that you not mix up. This one is starting from here. The main script is starting from center. Hope it's clear. No mix up. Then you look at where the slot is, just in front here. Finish. you paste it, then you arrange it where. Okay, that's all. Then you copy it down to the end. Down, down. You copy it. It's not all. Copy it down from, where is it? From center. You copy it. Copy it. It's a bit long. This CPC, this pan tip, I beg your pardon. CPC is very good. It's a very high CPC script. So I will show you. Just copy it down. Take it down. So taking it down. Okay, you see, center was there at the top, center also at the bottom. So you copy it. Then you can clear this other one here. This other one was just for you to get what you want. You can clear it. This one is just synchronizing. Starting from script. This one ends with scripts. Remember script window. Pop. That's it. That's it. Then we go back. Okay. Say done. We've copied the script. Then where we need to go next is our WordPress website. Where is our WordPress website? Wow, we are there. Just log into your WordPress. We don't want to use add inserter. We want to use WP inserts for the sake of this tutorial purpose. We'll use WP inserts to put these ads. We'll put it two places. First, to see, we'll put it in the footer section. Make sure this is turned on. Okay, when it shows green, it means it's turned on. Okay, then this also, the header, this is off, this is on. You paste it, you update. Then that is two places, header. Then you go to in post. The in post there, above post content, you add code, you paste it. This is off, you turn it on, then paste it. Then you add again, the middle of the post, you add the ads code, you paste, you turn it on. Then I think what next is below post contents. Those are the three major places you need to paste your ads. So here we go, we are done. Then we open the home page of the site to see if the ads are displaying. You've seen automatically the ads are showing beautifully well. This is the site. The ads are displaying very well. Okay, you've seen that showing advertisement. Let's click on the content, any of the content. You see that here the arrangement, you see, before content, middle of the content. It's just a matter of time. All the ads will display very well. Just the matter of time. Okay, thank you for watching. I think with this video you've learned something. Just for tutorial purpose, please share this video, like this video, comment on this video. Also join our WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.